Sup guys, my package just came in from Australia. I bought this off Grailed and I'll show you what I got in a second. I'm just eating dinner right now as Jean makes her grilled cheese sandwich. Just finishing off the last of the pasta I made the other 2 days ago. And we got some store sushi from Superstore. The way I eat my sushi is I have my soy sauce and then I like to mix in a chunk of wasabi. I usually eat with chopsticks, but I'm too lazy to wash the chopsticks right now. So yeah, that's how I eat my sushi. How do you guys eat your sushi? Comment below. Alright, what's up guys? So I've got a little unboxing here from Australia and I bought this item off Grailed. So let's see what we've got. Hope you guys can see. I shouldn't cut in. Nicely packaged. Well done. And we've got, I'll give you a hint. Gives it away right there. I think it's from 2010 collection. It's the Supreme Leopard Line Coach Jacket. It's actually so soft. Feeling it out. All the buttons intact, the strings. Okay, I'll give you guys a closer look. It's the Supreme logo. And Supreme tag here. Leopard line. So I'll throw it on, give you guys a bit of a fit. Hey guys, so that's the fit. I'm just going to show you, I guess, some of my other clothing that I could give you guys a review on if you like. There's just some of my denim. These are APC Petite New Standards with a Tanner Goods belt. I've got, these are retired, my Naked and Famous Broken Twill. See, there's a huge ass rip. But they're well worn, they're nice. They're actually my favorite pair, but they don't fit me anymore because my legs got too big. So I upgraded to the Samurai denim and the 710 19 ounce. And I'm still working on those. I got some RRL shirts, the Undefeated Stussy Mad Hectic tee, the Clot Undefeated tee, just some American Apparel baseball tee, random stuff. Rogue Territory rain camo jacket. I've got the Supreme pen up in here, and it won't focus on that. There you go. Just put a white bandana as a pocket square, and then I got the Supreme Twill hooded button up. I got a few other things, so I can show you guys that if you'd like. Down here, I just got a pair of FBT Visvims, my Red Wings, Air Force One SBs, Mirman dress shoes, and got Common Project and the Supreme 5 Jordan release. So I haven't worn them though because I'm kind of on the fence if I want to sell them or not. So I kept them dead stock for now. But I'll see if anyone's interested in buying those. They're up on Grailed. So yeah. Alright, thanks guys for watching. Catch you on the next one.
Yes, sir.